Hi, and welcome back to Xulendo. In this video, I'm going to show you or demonstrate how you can access different content types such as videos, audios, documents, and text. So let's get started. So when you visit the platform, you're going to land on this homepage. So if you're not sure where to go to access those content types, you can utilize the search bar, or else you can browse through the content categories. So in this video, we're going to use the search bar. You can either just search for what you're looking for in the search bar, or if you're not sure, you can simply click on start search without inputting anything. So the platform is usually going to take you to a page where you can utilize filters for you to search what content type that you're looking for. So go ahead and click on that, and then now we're going to utilize this filter feature. So if you'd like a content type, for example, documents or audios, videos, you need to head to choose type or types, and then choose the type that you're looking for. For example, if you choose PDFs, then you should be able to have content only for PDFs or content containing PDFs only. If you would say, okay, I don't want PDFs, I want videos, for example. So you only have videos from different subjects, and you can also filter by subject. You say, to be more specific, okay, I want videos from history, for example. Now, if you do that, you're going to have videos from history. But now, you in some cases, you would say, I want audios. I would like to listen to audios only. So you still do the same process. You go and choose audio. So if you choose audio, then you have all the content related to audios. Now you can choose to click on one of them, and then you can play for you to listen to that audio. Now, the same would apply if you would like to choose another content type. For example, um, text, images, or wiki. So, or even an experiment. So you can go ahead and click on experiment, or else on collection, and then you have the collection of different materials that you would be able to browse and access. So this is what I wanted to share with you on how you can access different content types on Xulendo. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.